Hi, this is Eleanor from Food Services from Shasta College. Welcome to Jam Week. I have made for you today Vanishing Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookies. I also wanted to let everyone know that I have put walnuts in the cookies today for those of you that have nut allergies. Please be aware of that. First, you combine the white cane sugar and brown sugar together with the butter. Beat that very well together. Then you add your eggs and your vanilla and incorporate it into that mixture. In a separate bowl, you add your flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. And you mix it into your butter sugar mixture. Then you have your oats, your chocolate chips, and walnuts that get combined and added in as well, mixed very well together. And then you get your cookie dough that looks like this. And I use an ice cream scoop for measuring purposes, just so that I can get the cookies uniformed for baking purposes. And you also heated your oven to 350 degrees, and you bake your cookies anywhere from 12 to 14 minutes. So I have baked a batch, and this is our finished product. So please join me in a cookie or two and a cup of coffee. Thank you.